Good day, everyone, and welcome to Liza Luchi. Welcome to another epic episode. To be elected in the office of the SG in the MK party, that creates you a lot of enemies. So the current administration of the MK party seems like the members on the ground are not happy about them all, including their own deputy presidents, Tony Yengeni and John Mandlakaise Hlope. There are people who are not happy about them. They are being accused of killing the party. And you know what is so funny about this is that people around Jacob Zuma, they are being accused, but no one accused Jacob Zuma. No one accuses Jacob Zuma. That is shocking.
Umbuzo engizowuphendula ke manje yilo ukuthi sifike kanjani la sikhona ezomkhonto wesizwe. I saw it ngesikhathi kufika uFloyd efika singena ama structures, efika kuthiwa sikho organized, efika singena constitution well recognized, sihlekwa. But ngangike ngenza ama video ngaleso sikhathi ngithi our weapon esiwina ngayo ikona lokho ukuthi asikho organized, because it is only a political organization that has to be organized. But a liberation movement doesn't need to be organized. It must be led by activists, it must be strategic, and it operates underground. You can't be too organized when you operate underground. Figure my politicians. Position yokuqala ethathwa uFloyd eyokuba organizer. He started forming structures so that we move or we transcend from being a liberation movement to become a political organization. Well, maybe it was necessary because we were going to participate in my elections. My elections being led by who? Politicians with their experience from where? From the ANC that is falling. I figure my politicians are my opportunities to occupy chairs in parliament, and that's what happened. We were sidelined now, Tina, as activists. I will speak on behalf of my activists with social media. I'm a social media activist. We were sidelined. No space for us. We were not respected. We were undermined. Tina, we exist for nothing. Not only us. Most activists were being sidelined. Abanye banikwa ama position where they cannot function because just nje ubavala umlomo and give them something to eat. I won't shy away from this. Abantu abanjengoba Nkosi, they are being given those positions just ukuthi bangabanga umuntu umsindo. That guy is an activist and what he's doing kuma-polarization, he can't function. He's not himself. Now we are being led by politicians and they are doing things politically. Everywhere, in all provinces, in all regions, we are being led by politicians and they are doing things politically. And they can trace, are you coming from KwaGogo or not? If you are not coming from the trenches of ANC, you don't know politics. You are not recognized. You see, Nxamalade did not start a political party. He started a liberation movement.
Did you hear that? Okay, now I understand. This is not a political party. This is a movement, but is registered as a political party. So the people who were there when this political party was starting, or to be safe, when this movement was starting, they believed that the MK party wasn't supposed to have a constitution, wasn't supposed to have any departments. It was just to be a party that is controlled by its founding members and Jacob Zuma as a presiding office, with no structures, with no offices, with no elected leaders. So they are saying that since the MK party took that turn, it has destroyed now the movement to make it a political organization. Does it make sense though? To make it a political organization, and it has attracted wrong people who are coming from the ANC. Sibona Nomvalo, I'm not sure, but I think he was in the ANC. I saw some picture of him back in the days wearing the ANC t-shirt. Remember that Jacob Zuma recruited and brought in people like Dali Mpofu, people like Floyd, people who were coming from the EFF. So they are saying that these politicians, they are coming now with their background from the ANC, from the EFF, to just cause chaos in the MK party. So now I understand the people who are supporting the likes of Nhlamulo and Duduzile, Kishelezi, Abu Komo, and all those people, they view now the people who started with this organization as now activists. These people, they started a movement. So the likes of Duduzile, she's an activist. But they view the likes of Floyd, Sibonelo Nomvalo, Tony Yengeni, and those people who are now surrounding Jacob Zuma as politicians. So the narrative that has been driven is that politicians who are there in the leadership positions of the MK party, they are the ones who are destroying the MK party.
Specifically, Tony Yengeni has influence on your president, on your deputy.
I did say earlier that he is surrounded by the wrong people.
Specifically, let's talk about him, considering that they do have a relationship.
It's not just one, that's why I keep saying people.
That is why you heard Duduzile Zuma saying that the problem is the people who are surrounding President Zuma, because they view these people as they are being politicians, and they've changed the organization from what it used to be. Now it has become a political party. Yeah, do you hear that? Do you hear that? There will be fights here. Infights are not stopping anytime soon. But the problems are so deeper than that. There in Northwest, the MK party Councillor Thabiso is accusing Sibonelo Nomvalo of destroying the party and not supporting the party there. So there's a lot now of things that are happening. Others in Mpumalanga, they are also accusing the SG. They are accusing what the MK party has grown to be, to have structures, to have leaders, and to have all that is the offices. There are people who didn't want this political party to be like this, the setup of it to be like this, because they believe that it is a movement that will bring liberation. It must not have any offices. Do you get the logic? It must not have any appointed leadership roles, structures, right? Regions, right? It must just function by reporting to Kwata Gudunuse in Nkandla and having a president, a director meeting with President Jacob Zuma to report to him. This is what they are saying. But let us go to Councillor Molefe and let us hear what is he saying.
Commander morning, Comrade SG, I think my name is Councillor Thabiso Molefe. The people whom you deployed here in Northwest, Comrade Nkuna, Comrade Nkateko, Comrade DSG, abananda banathi lana Northwest. Bahluleka nokwenza iphepha yokuthi sithola ama party agent. Imvumo yaka IEC, that letter, the one that we use on the VD stations. As now across the province of Northwest, SG, there's no t-shirt here. When you try to call Comrade Nkuna, you can't find him. When you try to talk to DSG, you can't find them. When you call Nkateko will tell you that the results are with the office of the SG. Comrade Babes, every time she's trying to follow up, she's trying to call these comrades, the ones whom you deployed on the key positions of Northwest, but they are nowhere to be found. Please, comrade, please, Comrade SG, please stop killing the Northwest. Please, Comrade SG, stop killing the Northwest using this comrade of the national official. We can work the ground on our own here. We've been trying to request you to say, leave Comrade Mutsi as a convener of the province. Leave Comrade Bosa on the whatever position that you gave them. But please, comrade, now these people, they don't have our interest. They are only running on their province and where they are coming from. What about us in Northwest? You can't deploy people from outside Northwest. Please, stop killing the movement here in the Northwest. We are begging you, Morena. Please, Comrade Namval.
That is the message he's conveying. He's saying that Nomvalo is sabotaging the MK party. And you know what was so funny about this? The same remarks were made when Floyd Nico Shivambu was the MK party SG. This is not the first time such sentiments are being said about the SG. As long as these ones, they feel that this SG they don't want, they will start posting videos, sending messages to them.
Welcome to Gasi TV show. Matota kubi kumkhondo. I have told you, ngathi MK party in Mpumalanga is under attack. You cannot remove people that are working straight on the organization. Mina ngibonile ukuthi uma upresident awe staging, something bad is going to happen. Something bad is going to happen. Ngike ngayenza ivideo ngabuza iquestion le one ngathi ubaba uNdlela ukhishelweni noma namhlanje ngeke basiphendule. Bekuyi step number 1 yoku attack organization to remove people that are working straight. Manje uma kuziwa eMpumalanga bathi bantu abahambe boyochuza abantu, bafika abantu bachuza abantu, bachuza bo advocate Mkhwebana nalabanye, bathi these people are the first people we need to attack. Sidide iprovince. Manje bamremover ku PLC. Kuthi ku divide we province because they know ukuthi Mpumalanga inamandla. Ebafethu mina nginitshela liqiniso, I don't want to lie. Mina ngikhuluma into lezophumelela straight. Uyambona secretary lo, mina ngumthembi mina. Uyambona deputy president lo, angumthembi. Because these two people, they don't listen to the people. They don't listen to the people. Lapha kumkhonto bantu laba right bayakhishwa. Remember when we started this organization, sakhuluma ukuthi ngeke kufike abantu bangaphandle bafike bangene ba-occupy ama position. Mara manje bafethu, labantu labathanda umkhonto bayakhishwa. Bantu balahlekelwe ngelithemba. Emadoda, if you want to save this organization in the province of Mpumalanga, put people that who started the MK party.
The truth is, in Mpumalanga, the MK party is experiencing most challenges since the appointment of Mkhwebane. Mpumalanga was never the same again. It is affected badly, and the rally that they had, it was not so very much successful. The Meripad effect is still plaguing Mpumalanga. A lot of the members on the ground, they have rejected leaders which were appointed by the same president, Jacob Zuma, as the high command. So one thing interesting in the MK party, no matter who can get appointed, members are not happy. So what does this mean? Now people are defying the authority of the leadership of the MK party, and no one is confronting Jacob Zuma, because when these things are happening, it doesn't mean that now these leaders are appointing themselves. Report in the structures of the MK party, but people are not following that. They are saying that process is not working. They preferred a WhatsApp direct contact so that they resolve some matters. So a lot of the members are now starting to change against this party. Say now, this party does not longer represent the people. So they are boycotting this party. They are not coming to the rallies of the party, and they are complaining in different platforms in the social media. So what is happening there in the MK party? And don't forget that you can subscribe to this our political YouTube channel. Until we meet again, take care.